Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hola Opulence. Thank you so much for joining me as usual. Today we've got another wonderful unboxing as usual for you guys. But before we get straight into the unboxing, if this is your first time here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and make sure you comment in the section below. I really appreciate that. So without further ado, let's get straight into this wonderful, beautiful unboxing. So as you can see, you already know it is the Jordan 1 box right there for you guys. The OG Jordan 1 box, which is the red and the black. I wear this in a size 10, as you can see right there. This I did hit on the sneaker app. To be honest with you, when I got this on the sneaker app, I really could not believe it, because I've actually never got a Gotham on the sneaker app. So I am so happy I was able to get a Gotham on the sneaker app, and I was super excited because I've actually never actually won. But what are the chances though? Because I did get 2 exclusive access the 2 previous months, and for this month I actually got this, which is wonderful. I am so excited. All right, without further ado, I'm not gonna bore you. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna flip this lid right here. Whoa. Woo. Okay, so the lid as usual, you got the print right there. All right, so this is what I'm looking at. You got the box, and it comes like that. Whoop bam. As you can see, you got a Jordan 1 low right there. So I'm gonna bring it out so you guys can see it. All right, this is really clean. I love it. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, bam. That is the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Bleach Coral. That is absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, it is a suede and a crack leather in front, which is like the black side right there. So I'm gonna bring the other foot out so I can talk about it in detail for you guys. This is really nice. The box, there's nothing else in there. There is a little tag in there, the green and white tag right there. As you can see, if I can get closer. Alrighty, that's it. So I'll put the box to the side, and then we could talk about the sneaker itself. All black outsole, the normal Jordan 1 outsole, as you can see right there. Okay, and the all white midsole as well, all the way around as usual. But material, this material right here is absolutely amazing. So on the toe box, which is the outer toe box, we have the crack leather. I know some people are not really fans of crack leather and everything, because I know they had it on the Jordan 1 High Amamania, but the way they done it here, it looks kind of crazy, but I personally do like it. I'm gonna bring it a little closer so you guys can see. So the crack leather on it, apart from the swoosh, everything else is crack leather, but the swoosh is not. So the toe box, I'm gonna bring it a little closer, is that crack leather as well right there, you know, which is kind of crazy, going all the way to the eyelids right there, and it's actually very nice. I like it a lot. It's nice. And we got the all black shoelaces, and on the inner toe box right there, you have that bleach coral in suede. But what I can tell you guys is the suede, oh my God, it's like butter. God damn, so good. The suede is so nice. It feels so good. Oh my goodness. You know what this reminds me? This kind of reminds me of the Jordan 4 UNCs because like the suede is just so good. All right. So the suede, I'm going to bring it closer so you guys can see what the suede looks like right there. Okay. So the side panel, as you can see, is white right there. And you got the black swoosh, which is just a normal smooth leather. It's not the crack leather for the swoosh. And going all the way to the back panel is more of that suede, pink suede right there, or salmon, whatever you want to call that. And you have the Jordan Wings logo on the top panel at the back as well in black. And the laces, the shoelaces right there is black as well. We have the black nylon tongue right there as well. And the label right there is more of the bleach coral color. I guess that's what they're calling it. But to me, this looks more like a pink. But personally, I really like it. In the Nike Air right there, you have that pink color right there. And the nylon tongue, like I said, is black. And the inside, which is the sock liner, is pink right there, as you can see. And you got the Jordan Air in black as well inside. Okay, so this is the Jordan 1 OG. I know the argument about this because they always say like the real OG, like the way the Travis Scott's fragment looks is that the toe box is a little bit wider, and that's the true OG. And I get that. Plus, this very particular one has 7 eyelids. The OG, which is kind of like the Travis Scott's fragment lows, those have 8 eyelids. I get that as well. But either way, Nike has labeled this Jordan 1 Low OG. So, but I guess, I don't know why they did that, but it is what it is. Honestly, I really don't care. I just like the look of the sneaker, whether it's the very OG or the new OG. They're all lows, and they both have the Jordan at the back, the Jordan wings at the back right there. So, and this as well comes with a extra lace, which is in pink right there. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate you as usual. But if you're new here, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and commenting in the section below. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day. All the opulence out.